Hello! We have an exciting event coming up soon, and you might be wondering what it is or what's happening on the 13th of April. Oh, is it? It's Auslan Day. We are so excited to have this event on Auslan Day. But can you tell me, what is the event? It's a special workshop, and the title of the workshop is Art, Auslan and Activism. Oh, wow. So Elizabeth is going to be leading this. Can you tell us a bit about it? Yeah, so this workshop will focus on various mediums: collage, drawing, writing, and you don't need to have artistic skills. You can come and learn about how art can spread ideas about activism. There'll also be zines that we'll do with magazines and those sort of things. Is that right? Oh, you're just going to have to wait and see? Exciting. So what are the details? Yep, so it's going to be at 11 o'clock in South Melbourne. Fantastic. Now you have to RSVP on the Eventbrite website. The link is down below, and grab yourself a ticket. Don't leave it too late. You don't want to miss out. Yeah, look, the studio is big, but the seating is limited. So do make sure that you register so you don't miss out. Look, I heard last time it was a popular event. Yes, come on down again. Thanks, bye.